Okay, welcome back. I went on and mixed up my nutrient solution, washed out my reservoirs, and we are ready to go. So what I am doing is I'm going to take this guy, and I'm like I already pH'd up my mix. Grab something like that. I think that ought to be enough for this one. Wish I could show you in the camera. These are the roots. I rinsed them off a little bit with some hydrogen peroxide. It looks worse than it is in the camera, but I'm gonna look and see if we got enough space in there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour a little of that off. Just to give room, the roots a little room to breathe. That's probably a little too much, but it's kind of hot outside, so I think that'll this plant will suck that up, start sucking that up today. So that's my whole process. I'm gonna just do that whole same thing. I haven't changed the nutrient solution in these. This plant is 2 months old, but I've never changed the nutrient solution in it. And I only use a very light solution of Dr. Earth's all-purpose plant food. Today I am using General Hydroponics. I was looking around for it. General Hydroponics Maxi Bloom is what I'm using for these, and these are my last hydroponic tomatoes. Everything else is going in soil for now until I can figure out how to aquaponically fertilize my plants. All right, cool. So I'm gonna just keep doing that, and hope you guys found something useful that you can use through this video. The other reservoir you see, it's a Gerber oatmeal container. I'm gonna fill this on up. Good to go solo there. See how many more I got out here that I need to change. I got 2 more, I'll be back. See, and I told you, we free cycle everything, man. Like I paid, I don't know, whatever the price is, it is. And now that price that I paid for that is going to produce stuff for my family. So I'm actually kind of amazed at the root results from this experiment. And you know, one thing I want to say is right now my roots look a little ragged, and I believe that to only be because of the algae infestation. Now the algae won't hurt the tomato, but what the algae does is it'll rob your plant, whatever plant you have, of nutrients. So it's like you're feeding the algae. I'm just teasing these roots a little bit. I mean, they look, you know, root rotty. They don't smell bad. They smell like tomato roots, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna just go on and pop these in here. That one's good to go. Let's sit it over here. I guess I gotta sit it on the floor. And last but not least, this guy, this monstrosity. Now, I'll make sure I take videos of these or photos of these plants after the fact just to add to the video. But this is the same thing. This one actually ran out of water, and I was looking at it, I was like, man, that thing looks like it's out of water, and it was. So I'm gonna fill that one back up. I'm gonna get this thing and fill it up there. And this surface kind of wet, so I don't really too much worry about it. Just kind of keep some moisture on those roots. I feel about halfway full of nutrient solution. Drop my roots in there. Boom, bow. We are good to go. Now, this nutrient solution is properly pH down to, or actually up, because these are bloom nutrients. But pH up to 6.05 was the reading that I got. And cool, man. So yeah, like I'm done with these for now, and I'm gonna go put them back to where they're supposed to be. But before I do that, I'll show you guys pictures of what I got going on. All right, that's it for today's video. I just want to thank y'all for taking the time out to spend some of your day with me. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate you checking my video out, checking out my farm. If you found anything useful that you could use, please hit the subscribe button. If I said something that you found funny, go on and hit the share button. If you don't think I know what the hell I'm doing, hit the share button too. You and your friends laugh about me. I don't care. It don't matter. Just get my message out there. This is a Tiny Tom tomato, and it is probably not going to get very much bigger than this, and that's a-okay. It's perfect for those aspiring dorm room gardeners, balcony gardeners, condo gardeners. If you don't have a whole lot of space, you should be looking into very compact plants that produce a lot of fruit. And this Tiny Tom tomato is one of those. Anyway, that's it for today's video. For this video, again, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for being here, and we'll catch you in the next video.